Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make a Halal Mojito at home. Muddle mint leaves with sugar and lime until the oils release, then add non-alcoholic rum or sparkling water. Stir gently, add crushed ice, and top with a splash of soda for fizz. Garnish with a lime wheel and a mint sprig. Taste and adjust sweetness or lime to personal preference for a balanced, refreshing mocktail. Begin by gathering ingredients and tools for a smooth process. You need fresh mint leaves, limes, granulated sugar, non-alcoholic rum or sparkling water, soda, crushed ice, a muddler, and a sturdy glass. Measure juice from 2 limes and about 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar to start. Keep soda chilled so the drink stays fizzy. Having everything prepped ahead makes assembling the mojito quick and enjoyable. Muddle gently to avoid bitter mint bits while capturing essential oils, then add measured lime juice and your chosen non-alcoholic base. Stir to dissolve sugar and berry flavors, then fill the glass with crushed ice for a chilled, textured sip. Top with a splash of soda to add lift, stir once more to integrate, and finish with a mint sprig and lime wheel. Taste and tweak sweetness or acidity until it feels right.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.